Alright, guys, this is what we got here. We got sesame chicken, shrimp fried rice, spicy, peppers and steak, steak and peppers, fried rice, and lo mein noodles.
So let's get a close up.
This is from Chopsticks. Oh, don't forget the spring roll right here, whatever this is. Anyway, this is from Chopsticks on the 77. Best in Bay County, 2021. We're gonna let y'all know what we think about this. Right, baby? Alright, let me see. Look at that shrimp. I go good with some lo mein noodles right there. Wow. I didn't even have to chew those. Here we go, guys. This is what it's all about right here. Whatever. That is delicious.